Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another beauty. Oh, you already know. Today's video, I'm gonna be testing out, well not testing out, I'm gonna be doing my full face of makeup using makeup brushes from China. I'm gonna be using this company, it's called Docolor. This set is called Fantasy. It's a unicorn colorful set. It comes with 16 brushes in total, and this is how they look when you open it. So these are the 11 eye brushes. You can feel the glitter, and it has the dual color logo on the side. The bristles feels really soft, and these are the face brushes. Oh, they feel really soft. So let's begin. I'm not gonna rumble too much. Let's begin by doing this. As you guys can see, I have not done my eyebrows. You guys know that I always do my eyebrows first before starting doing the makeup, but this time I have not done my eyebrows because I want to do it in front of you guys, and as well I want to do it using these brushes so it can be a full face of makeup. So I'm gonna first start by moisturizing my face, and I will be using the Oakley Shock Glowing Moisturizer. Now that my face is moisturized, I'm gonna move on with the eyebrows. So I'm gonna be taking these two brushes, the angle brush and as well with the brush. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna be taking my Holy Grail RD Anastasia eyebrow kit. I'm gonna use a pomade granite, and I'm also gonna be using the concealer that is the number 5.0. I'm gonna fast forward because I already filmed how I do my eyebrows. The link is gonna be in the description box below if you wanna check it out. This flat brush. I know that my eyebrows are not perfect right now. I just gonna leave them like that. I don't want to pay too much with them. I will not use this angle brush for my eyebrows because I like my angle brush to be a little bit thicker, and this one is flat. I will use it for something else. I will not use it for my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my eyes first before doing my face. I already primed my face. I use this Beauty Creation Glow Primer Oil, which I'm doing a review right now, but I will be putting the link in the description box below if you wanna check it out. So I'm gonna apply the concealer first as the eyeshadow base. For the concealer, I'm using the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer, and this one, it is in the shade Deep. So now I'm just gonna set this concealer using the NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder, and this one it is in translucent, and I'm just gonna be taking a crease brush.
Hey guys!
For today's palette, I will be using, finally, ever since I got it, I have not used it. I'm gonna be using the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetic 15 Color Shadow Palette. This is the second palette that she came out with, and I am really obsessed with her first palette that she came out with, that I had to buy the second one. And the colors on this second one, it is really beautiful. Like, can you see those colors? So I'm not gonna talk through, I'm just gonna let the music play while I finish doing my eyes makeup. lashes. These are the 820 lashes. I got this from eBay, I think. I'm gonna find out and put the link in the description box. Now it's time to move on with the face. So for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm gonna be using the shade Cocoa. That's the thing I don't like about this foundation, is that it smells like paint. So I'm gonna be taking the flat brush, and instead of blending the foundation, I'm gonna pat it and blend it at the same time. I'm gonna still use this brush to blend in my concealer because I don't have a concealer brush. No, I don't. I'm gonna take these two concealer from Beauty. One is in deep that I already used for my eyeshadow primer, and the next one is in medium deep. How it blended that concealer and plus that foundation as well. I think this is by far my favorite brush from the brush set. So I'm gonna move on by setting this concealer. I'm gonna set this concealer using the NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder, and I'm just gonna set it with the powder brush. I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Naked Skin, and this one is in medium to deep, medium to dark, I'm sorry. With that setting powder. For the blush, I'm going with the Makeup Revolution blush, and this one it is in Fusion, and I'm gonna be taking this angle brush, the large angle brush, because the one that I use to contour is the small angle brush. For the highlighter, I'm going with the Becca highlighter. I'm using the shade Gold Pot. No, before I highlight, I'm gonna contour my nose before I forget to contour my nose. And I'm gonna be taking this brush. This is like a large eyeshadow brush, but I'm actually gonna be using it to contour my nose because how big it is, it will work amazing to contour my nose with. So I'm gonna contour it with this shade. Now I'm gonna go with the highlighter, then I'm gonna use this brush. For the lip liner that I'm using is the MAC Cork lip liner. Now I'm gonna go with the liquid lipstick. I'm gonna take the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Hashtown. I'm gonna use this brush as a lip brush. Okay, you guys, let me tell you, I am so impressed with these brushes from China. They are really nice. They are amazing. I love how my makeup came out with these brushes. I didn't got no shading at all. They are really soft. They really pick up the colors so nicely. They are really beautiful. They don't come with the name of the brush. It does come with the number, but it's so hard for most of these brushes to see the number. I truly recommend these brushes if you are looking for really affordable brushes. These are the brushes for you. I got these brushes for sale. I think they are like $24.99 or $22.99. So affordable, and the bristles are really soft. They don't shade. They pick up the colors really nicely. I'm gonna be putting the link in the description box below if you guys are interested on these brushes. Thank you so much, my love, for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, click the like button if you found this video helpful and you guys enjoy it. Comment below any video requests that you guys have so I can put it in my video to-do list on this notebook. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.